In this brief tutorial, we will walk through the steps to add media, such as audio and video, to a Blackboard course in which you are enrolled using the Medial Server, a multimedia service integrated with Blackboard. You can add media using Medial anywhere there is a text box editor. This would include assignments, wikis, blogs, journals, and discussion boards. In this tutorial, we'll submit an electronic assignment in which we're asked to interview a fellow student about their views on a variety of topics. We might write up a series of questions, secure a willing participant, then conduct the interview. What makes this assignment a bit different is that the instructor has offered an alternative assessment option. You can choose to submit either a transcript of the interview in a Microsoft Word document format or submit a video recording of the interview. In this example, you choose to submit the video recording of the interview. When your video is complete, you will return to the specific assignment in your Blackboard course, and then click on the assignment link. In this case, it's labeled Interview Assignment. Since we intend to submit an item, let's click on the Write Submission button. The text box editor appears. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the Mashups button and then click the Medial link. Please be aware that if this is the first time accessing Medial, at some point you may be asked to re-authenticate with your NIU username and password. If this happens, fill in the information and click the Login button. If you're adding new content to Medial, you will notice three options: Upload to upload a new media item, Webcam to record from a webcam attached to your device, and Search to select a media item that you had previously uploaded to your Medial account. In this example, we will be uploading a new media item, so click on the Upload link. Please observe the list of relevant information regarding your Medial account. Everyone has a 4 GB storage quota in their Medial account. When you upload a file, Medial will tell you how much space you have remaining. Also, although the maximum allowed upload size is 1.95 GB, you are encouraged to use smaller file sizes. Take note of the file types or extensions allowed with Medial. Large file uploads can take time, so be patient. Next, click on the Browse button. Select the desired file, and then click the Open button to upload the video. Once 100% of your media file is uploaded, click the Next button. You will be prompted to add metadata to this media file. We observe that the title box has been pre-populated with the default title, in this case, Assignment Submission, Interview Assignment. The title is established by the nature of this being an electronic assignment, as well as the name of the assignment. The next item is Category, or more accurately, the Permissions category, which determines who can view the content. This is a very important, if not critical, selection. If the content is uploaded from a Blackboard course and is intended to be viewed by the instructor, then you will want to select Personal. The second option is Protected, meaning the video is available for viewing by anyone with an NIU account ID, including NIU students, faculty, and staff. The third option is Public, meaning that video files are viewable and searchable by anyone and essentially freely available and open to the World Wide Web. In this case, let's select Personal, which makes the video available for viewing by the instructor for the purpose of review and assessment. You can also add a description of the item. The next item is the email address box, where the contributor's email address is automatically added. In this example, that would be your email address. You can add a tag to make it easier to search for your video later if you wish. Now click on the Next button. You will be shown a summary of what you added up to this point and prompted to confirm all of the details. You also have the option to keep the automatically generated thumbnail image of the video or change it. After reviewing, click the Next button. You should get a confirmation message that your media file has been uploaded for processing. You will be returned to the Upload Assignment interface. The media item should now appear in the text box editor area. Depending on the length of the video file, there may or may not be a delay. You can add a comment to the instructor if you wish. Scroll down and click the Submit button. You should see a message that your submission appears on the page, as well as a submission confirmation number, which can be used as proof of your submission. Once the video has been processed, you will have the option of reviewing your submission by clicking on the Play Media link. Remember, the Medial tool can be used anywhere there is a text box editor. The process is similar across Blackboard. Be sure to ask the Do It service desk for help if you run into any issues.